Right, here we are, Skegness. This is a view from top at Teletubby Hill, Skegness Water Leisure Park. Bit windy today, bit billy, not too bad though. July, not that we've had much of a summer so far, but let's have a little scan round airfields here. Airstrip landing right down there. See a plane right down there in bushes. It crashed and landed.
Aeroplane crash aftermath footage coming up.
Yeah. Lovely place, Skegness Water Leisure Park. That's where we are. Yep. Top at Big Hill. What we call Teletubby Hill. Fantasy Island's over there. Ski Lake, loads of carp in there. I'll tell thee. Right. There you go. If you know, you know. Right, back down at bottom at hill. That's a hill. That's where we were, up there. Not as windy down here. This is it, Skegness, Lincolnshire. Skegness Water Leisure Park. Big hill. Nice view up there. Right, this is airstrip. Skegness Airfield. I showed you earlier. And I said about that plane. Did a bit of a crash landing. There it is. Two people were in it, both survived, minor injuries, relatively minor considering it, you know, it come down and skidded off runway, ended up there. But, yeah, luckily they both walked away, you know. I've seen a few on here now, 2 or 3. These light aircraft what's come down on here. One went into them trees over here. But, yeah. There you go. Skegness Airfield, side of Skegness Water Leisure Park.